Hey everybody, it's JT here, and today we're doing another keyword tool review, this time of WordTracker.com. So like we've done with all the other keyword tool reviews, all we're doing is entering the same task, which is to search for a specific keyword in each of these platforms, and then we're going to search whatever competitor analysis tool they have on the top website in that keyword SERP. So that's been the same task on all of the tools we've been researching. So hopefully this is a pretty unbiased way for you to compare all of the keyword tools you could ever want to compare. So all you have to do is look at the playlist that we're making for this video and for all those other keyword tools, which you'll be able to find at the end of this video in a big box that'll pop up on the screen, and then also in the description of this video. So take full advantage of that playlist, and hopefully we'll have some really in-depth quick links, timestamp links in the description of each video, or maybe in the comments, that shows the exact points of comparison. So whether it's the moment we look at a certain data point, and so you can compare them between platforms, the moment we first see the UI, or maybe it's the pricing point. So each of those will be timestamps so you can quickly compare each keyword tool. First thing we like to look at here is pricing. You can get away with a $27 a month price tag on WordTracker. So we'll find out if that's worth it based on what you think when it compares to the other platforms. And for $27 a month, you can look at 1,000 keyword results, or you can pay $69 a month and get 5,000 keyword results. That seems to be the biggest difference. But you might need a gold plan if you need to look at a lot more keywords every month. So you might actually need to go bigger than gold if you're looking at more than 10,000 keywords. But I think some of us can get away with this bronze plan of $27 a month. Only weird thing here is you have to pay for 3 months at a time with bronze. So there's that. There is a promo code in the description for 25% off. Just thought I should provide that to you because it's available. At the current time of recording this video, there is a 25% off promo code. And if you use that link, I will get paid an affiliate commission for whatever you buy. So all that's going to do is support the channel. I've been putting the affiliate commission link for all of the keyword tools that have them, but I'm still reviewing some platforms that don't even have affiliate links. So overall, that shouldn't taint the quality of these reviews. But anyway, that's an easy way to support the channel when you go and buy one of these platforms, is to just use the affiliate link. So we're looking at the HyperX Quadcast because right in front of my face is this microphone called the HyperX Quadcast. It gives us 15 keywords that relate to HyperX Quadcast or contain HyperX Quadcast, it looks like. So first one, this is what we're really looking at, is the volume of the HyperX Quadcast keyword. So this says about 13,000 on the volume side of things. Competition, higher this number, the more organic competition for the keyword. It says 9.71. I'm guessing this is out of 10. So correct me in the comments if I'm wrong, but I think this is out of 10. So it's saying very competitive. In anchor and title, a count of web pages on which the keyword appears in both the title and the text of a backlink. This is unique. I haven't seen this in very many platforms. Honestly, this doesn't show us all that much in terms of the site's ranking on the SERPs for this. So we'll just have to do a little work ourselves on that. Inspect the website hyperxgaming.com. See what pops up. Maybe there's a little more that goes on here when you have the full version or even a free trial. I'm not sure. Citation flow, I believe that comes from Majestic. Trust flow, Majestic. Some of these platforms pull from like Moz. Page speed, that's nice. Optimization, okay. Difficulty. This talks about their top keywords. HyperX, how to stream games. Cherry MX Brown switches. This is another category where you'll find quite a bit of difference between WordTracker and the other keyword tools. And then opportunities not on page, doesn't show us those. So that's really what you get here, is you get these little boxes, and then you get top keywords on page. So hopefully I'm not missing too much here with this site. Just leave a comment with what you think about WordTracker. Again, playlist coming up right now, and that playlist will give you the ability to compare directly, apples to apples, each of these keyword tools, and hopefully that helps you make the best decision possible. Be sure to subscribe if you want to learn more marketing videos, and especially if you want to see more software reviews. Thank you for watching. I will see you next video.